In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make separate pages in your Wix website step by step. If you're building a Wix site and want multiple pages, like a home page, about page, services page, or contact page, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Whether you're a beginner or just new to Wix Studio, I'll walk you through the entire process in a simple and clear way. This is essential for organizing your content and creating a professional website structure. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, you want to open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that owns the website you want to edit. Once Wix Studio loads, select the website you want to work on and open it in the editor. This is where you'll manage your design, layout, and pages. Take a moment to let everything load fully so you can see all the editor tools clearly. Next, look to the left-hand side of the Wix Studio editor. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different icons. Click on the Pages option. This is where Wix shows you all the pages that currently exist on your website. If you only have one page right now, that's totally fine. This panel is where you'll create and manage all your separate pages going forward. Now, once the Pages panel is open, click on the Add Page button. This option allows you to create a brand new page for your website. Wix will usually give you a few layout options or page types depending on your setup. Choose a blank page or a standard page layout depending on what you want to build. As soon as you add the page, you will appear in your pages list and Wix will automatically switch you to editing that new page. After adding the page, click on the page name to start editing it. You can rename the page to something meaningful, like About Us, Services, Blog, or Contact. Renaming your pages is important because it helps with navigation and SEO. Once renamed, you can begin customizing the page by adding text, images, buttons, and other elements just like you did on your main page. Each page is completely separate, so changes you make here won't affect your other pages. If you want this page to appear in your website's navigation menu, make sure it's set to show in the menu. Wix usually does this automatically, but you can double-check in the Pages settings. You can also reorder pages to control how they appear in your site's menu. Repeat these same steps whenever you want to create additional pages for your Wix website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make separate pages in your Wix website using Wix Studio. This is a key step in building a clean, organized, and professional-looking site. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.